Today's video, I'm going to show you one of the most powerful MT4 tools for binary and forex trading, the Advanced Candlestick Pattern Alert Indicator. This tool scans the charts for high-probability candlestick reversal patterns and instantly sends alerts, so you never miss a trade opportunity. Important reminder, trading in the forex market involves risk. There is no guaranteed profit, and you can lose your money. This video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. So always trade responsibly and only invest money you can afford to lose. Now let's talk about this smart indicator. It automatically detects both bullish and bearish candlestick patterns like engulfing, bullish and bearish, piercing patterns, hammer, bull cross, bear cross, harami, evening star, shooting star, and many more. You'll receive instant pop-up alerts whenever a new pattern forms. The alert shows the currency pair, the exact time, and the name of the candlestick pattern. No need to constantly monitor every chart. This makes your trading faster, smarter, and more accurate. Now, before we move on, here's something important to know. Yes, this is a repainting indicator, but don't worry, that's not a problem at all. Why? Because this tool is not giving you entry signals directly. It's just showing you where a candlestick pattern has formed. If the signal fits our trading strategy, only then we place a trade. If it doesn't match your setup, you simply ignore it. So repainting doesn't affect your decision making. And to make this even more powerful, I've added another tool, a support and resistance indicator for MT4. This helps you confirm your trade entries, set accurate stop loss, and take profit levels. Trade with more confidence, especially during reversals. These horizontal levels are drawn automatically based on price structure, making it easy even for beginners to understand key zones. Here's how to use this setup effectively. For a sell trade, wait for price to reach or reverse from a resistance level. Then check if a bearish candlestick pattern appears, like bear engulfing or dark cloud. If yes, place a sell trade, stop loss, just above the previous high, take profit at the next support level. For a buy trade, wait for price to reach or bounce from a support level, then check if a bullish candlestick pattern appears, like bull engulf or hammer. If yes, place a buy trade. Stop loss, just below the previous low, take profit at the next resistance level. It's a simple and rule-based strategy that helps remove guesswork from your trading. Want to try this system? You'll find the download link in the description. But please, test it on a demo account first. Once you're confident with how it works, you can move on to a real account. Now, let's jump to the charts and watch a live trade example using this exact method, so you can see the results in real time. As you can see on the chart, this is a perfect buy trade setup based on our strategy. The price has bounced from a clear support level, and we've got confirmation with a bull cross and a bullish engulfing pattern, both strong reversal signals. So, we've placed our buy trade right here. Our stop loss is set just below the previous low, and our take profit is targeting the next resistance level. This setup gives us a strong risk-reward ratio and a clear plan to follow. Now, let's be patient and wait for the candle to close and the trade to expire. Remember, the key is not just the signal, but where the signal appears. When a bullish pattern forms at support, it becomes much more reliable, and that's what we always look for. Let's watch what happens next. We won this trade. That was a clean and confident entry using our strategy, and the result clearly shows the power of combining candlestick patterns with key support and resistance levels. Now let's look at one more example, so you can see how we apply the same rules again and again, with consistency and discipline. So now that we've placed the buy trade, all we need to do is sit tight and watch how the price moves. This setup is a great example of how simple and effective price action trading can be. The bull harami pattern shows a shift in momentum from sellers to buyers, and since it formed right at a support level, it becomes a high probability signal. Stop loss is placed just below the previous swing low, giving our trade room to breathe. Take profit is set at the next visible resistance level, which is a logical place where price may slow down or reverse. This kind of structure keeps our risk under control while allowing for solid reward potential. Now we let the trade play out and avoid overthinking. Remember, once your trade is placed with proper risk management, there's nothing more to do. Just let the market do its job. Whether you're a beginner or experienced trader, always stick to your rule. Let's stay with this trade and see how it performs. We won this trade. That's another successful example of how well this strategy works when you combine candlestick pattern alerts with support and resistance levels. If you want to try this candlestick pattern alert indicator, along with the support and resistance levels resistance tool, check the download link in the description below, but remember, always test it on a demo account first until you're fully confident. Let me know in the comments if you want a tutorial on how to install or customize this indicator.
You do this every day? Yeah. Why? 'Cause I love it.